We gathered the most popular locks on the market and put them to the test to see what they could truly handle.
Click on the related video to see the entire test.
You can see that these teeth are now completely bent over. They really failed to get anywhere.
No matter the tool or coupler type you have, the Icon trailer lock was designed from the ground up to have your back. Order now at altorlocks.com. Every lock on the market is vulnerable to attacks from basic power tools, even the locks advertised as heavy duty. The Icon trailer lock outperforms the rest with ease.